The new iPhone 6s. Same old phone on the outside, totally new on the inside. Check out our unboxing video of Apple's new flagship smartphone. Apple's announcement of the iPhone 6s and its bigger sibling, the 6s Plus, came as no surprise. The same look and design, but with a bunch of improvements just below the surface. The materials are tougher, with the aluminum body made of stronger custom alloy. The display has also been reinforced with Ion X glass that they used on the Apple Watch. The iPhone 6s comes with a more powerful 64-bit A9 chip and an M9 coprocessor, 2 gigs of RAM, and a better 12-megapixel iSight camera, all running on the newly released iOS 9 platform. To the naked eye, the iPhone 6 and 6s look exactly the same. However, there are a few subtle differences once you look closer. The iPhone 6s is actually thicker by 0.2mm, but fortunately, almost all existing cases of the iPhone 6 still fits the 6s. There is a letter S printed at the back just below the iPhone label. Then, the camera of the iPhone 6s also has a slight difference in the lens barrel. Perhaps the most interesting feature that incorporates hardware and software function is the 3D Touch, which is a nice implementation of Force Touch. Here you will see the live wallpaper animates once you press hard on the glass. The same 3D Touch also gives icons additional shortcuts to a menu of choices called Pick and Pop. The camera has also been upgraded to 12 megapixel with the ability to shoot 4K videos, though video stabilization is still missing. There are so many more features that the new iPhone 6s offers, but most of them are behind the curtains. Watch out for our first impressions and full review on YugaTech very soon.